Welcome back to another video by the Canadian Home Painter. In today's short video, I'm just going to show you how I applied the second coat of drywall compound on a repair I did in an old house. They had a crack that ran almost across the whole ceiling. So what I did was used paper tape to cover the crack. Now I'm applying my second coat of drywall compound over top. For this, I like to use the 12-inch drywall knife. And as you can see, I do like to feather it out quite wide. For the second coat, it's going to be about 2 feet wide after I'm done. I put on a good healthy amount first, and then I drag the drywall knife over top just to thin it out. I'll do the same for the third coat. The third coat will be a little bit thinner and feathered out just a little bit wider. By the end, there's almost no sanding, just a light sanding over top, just to take care of any higher points that need to be sanded down to make it smooth. So I'm just over on the other side now. You always want to have a 6-inch drywall knife for different times that you'll need to use it. But obviously for one of these types of repairs, you do want the 12-inch at a minimum. I do have a 10-inch as well, but I'd prefer the 12. Now you can just use an all-purpose drywall compound. I like to use a compound that is called dust control. When you sand it, the drywall dust falls to the floor as opposed to going airborne all over the house. So for the cracks in this ceiling, I did want to use the paper tape. I am a big fan of paper tape as opposed to the mesh tape. I know some guys like the mesh tape. Now this area that I'm doing now, it was just another area that was damaged. I don't need to tape it. It was just in need of a skimming over top. So for that, I'm still using my 12-inch drywall knife. So yeah, that's how I apply the second coat over top of a repair in a ceiling. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.